Over the past few weeks, life has felt a little busier than usual between moving, unpacking, adjusting to a new space, and trying to settle into new routines. I've noticed that my skin has been reflecting exactly how I've been feeling, a little tired, a little neglected. So today, I'm taking some time to slow down and give my skin the attention that it deserves. Nothing expensive, nothing complicated, just a simple at-home facial and a chance for my skin to reset. First thing we're going to do is cleanse our face to prepare for all the goodness that we're going to give to it. This is a detoxifying cleanser from Petitcone MD. I'm massaging the product into my skin and sticking to the 1-minute rule for cleansing. Post cleansing, and we can see all my pimples, my spots, everything that I'm dealing with at the moment. My lips are dry, so I'm going to use this Trader Joe's Vanilla Lip Mask to moisturize my lips whilst we continue. The next step is steaming. So after you cleanse your face, you steam your face. You get a container, a bowl, you put hot water in there, and you just not dip your face in the water, but you get a towel, put your head down, not too close to the water, but close enough. And what the towel does is it traps the heat in. Over here, I had been in there for a while, and I was just coming out to catch my breath because it was becoming too much for me. But I repeated the process till I felt I was satisfied with the steaming process. Next thing I'm going to do is dip a clean cotton cloth. This isn't cotton, this isn't the best material to use, but get yourself a cotton face towel, dip that into the hot water, and use that to press on your complexion. For my face mask, I'm using this turmeric honey homemade face mask. I know this face mask in particular is one of the controversial things to be using in the skincare community, but I've been using it for so many years and it works perfectly on my skin, especially when I'm really consistent with it. I have amazing results and my skin is usually flawless. So I'm going to stick to it because it works for me. You can use any face mask that works for you if you're allergic to turmeric or honey. I don't have a lip scrub, but I do have a body scrub. So I'm gonna use this organic shop cherry blossom exfoliating sugar body scrub to exfoliate my lips before I use my lip serum, which you'll see later in the video. Right here, I'm just exfoliating my lips and I'm going to rinse it off and pat my lips dry. You're going to see that later in the video, but just a heads up. Okay guys, I'm done with my lips and I'm gonna first of all apply my serum. The serum I'm currently using is this ordinary exfoliating lip serum. I'm just going to put a little bit . Next thing I do is apply my toner. For my toner, I'm using a very hydrating toner. It contains hyaluronic acid. Harrow with rice water extract. Don't forget your neck as well. Next thing I'm going to use is this Murad Rapid Dark Correcting Serum. I'm just going to put this on areas where I have dark spots, not my whole face, just my problem areas. So here, for example, areas where I have dark spots, that's where I'm going to focus this on. Guys, I'm going to start off with this Red Bean Water Gel from Beauty of Hers. It's very soothing and calming. I'm not brushing on my skin. You can't see any tugging. I'm just applying very lightly and then I'm going to pat into my skin. Extra moisture, I'm going to go in with this La Roche-Posay moisturizer. It's a thicker consistency. I'm just going to pat this into my complexion, my neck as well, my forehead, everywhere. Just pat that in. And then I can rub. Actually, at this point, I like to massage because there is enough friction for that. Like, I can go easily. For sunscreen, I use the Beauty of Jose Sun Aqua Fresh Dry Plus B5SP50. It's very lightweight and it gets the job done. This is how my skin is looking, and I'm gonna finish up with my lips. For my lips, I simply just like to use the lip mask from Trader Joe's. It works, it's very effective, it's very moisturizing. This is my face. I'm gonna put on my earrings. You know what it is? I was going to lay my edges, but it's like, what if it's done and I have to leave? I'm just going to be doing myself a disservice by tampering with what I'm already trying to work on. But girl, so I didn't even bother. If you're watching up to this point, please consider subscribing, leave a like, and a comment. Ignore my edges. I know that they're on life support, my nails, my toes, everything needs to be done. I'm well aware of that. I'm going to be doing a at-home manicure and pedicure, so stay tuned for that. My edges definitely are on life support, but I'm working towards nursing everything back to home. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.